And it's time for Dollar General's Do Now deal. I know I am a day late for the Do Now deals, and you didn't get an ad preview, but your girl was out of town celebrating with her son. He is getting engaged. So that's where I was at, getting ready to be a mother-in-law. Let's go, guys. Awesome deals in here today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to go to, guys, is the soft soap. It is an awesome $5 off 2 coupon for that one. So let's get to that deal. I'm going to do the soft soap right here. And it is $5.50. Save $5 off of 2. So those are great, making them $5.50 for 2 or $3 each. Now you also can use the Irish Spring. I usually grab the Irish Spring. Okay, another deal that we have is on the Axe. The Axe is $5.50. You have a $2 coupon, making it $3.50. So right here we have a stackable coupon right here. We're going to look at the Tresemme. And that is $6. It's originally $7.25, right? We have 2 coupons. Save $2 off of one manufacturer and save $2 off of one Tresemme, the DG. So $4 off of this bottle makes it $2. And there it is right there. So pick up your one keratin. The best one to me to get is the conditioner. So I always get the conditioners. Don't forget also, if you come to the travel section and come to the Tresemme, that's $1.75. Do you see the coupon? $1.75. That's the price of it. $2 coupon attaches to it, making it free. Now, if you are in an older store, you'll get 25% overage. If you're in a new store, you'll just get it for free. Okay, now, don't forget we have this deal also. We're going to scan the coupon. See this $5 right here, and it says save $2 when you buy 2. Now that's the one with the lavender scent to it. My mom actually likes that. It's $5, but it's only 6 paper tissues, and then spend 20 and you'll save $4. Now the $2 does not attach to that one, as you can see, so make sure you scan. All right, and here's the other one, $3.50 for the 6 count. And the $2 does not attach to that one either. So you need to scan to see which one the $4 and the $2 will attach to. Here it is right here. The Scott 12 pack is $5. You have a $2 manufacturer coupon. Whenever you see the scissors, tap it. And then you have the spend 20, get $4 off. So you need to buy $20 worth in order to get that $6 off. Okay, guys, the Tylenol over here, you're going to get $2 off. Let's scan it. It's $5.50, or now it's $5.25, and they gave us a $2 coupon, making it $3.25. Awesome to stuff in your purse. Okay, our next big deal is going to be on the Axe right here. The deodorant is $5.75. You have a $6 off 2 coupon, a very high value coupon. Hit the scissors, turn into a check mark. That means you clipped it. They also have the cotton nail. That's $5. Save $2 when you buy 2. So when I scan it, it's $5, and we have that $2 off coupon. There you go. Hit that. Make them $4 each. Now, along with that Scott deal, this paper towel is also $5, and it is a part of the spend 20 get 4 off. So you can get 2 of the Scott paper tissues. That's going to take the $2 off, and then 2 Scott paper towel that'll be included in the spend 20 get 4. Guys, don't forget the Brawny 3-day sale. This Brawny will be $3.75. Let's go to it. On the 3-day sale, here you go right here. See that? Brawny will be $3.95. I hate that I didn't get to do a preview. And then the 3-day, you'll have the totes, the 18-gallon. They'll be buy one, get one free, and they're at $9.50 each. And then you actually have their essential paper towel for $4, which is actually good. Okay, and then their Febreze scent booster right here. We're gonna scan it. There you go, $10. They gave us a $5 off coupon. So if you need to get these because you're buying those, then that would be a great idea. Okay, the Lysol right here is $4.25. So it's at $4 for us. they gave us a save $2 when you buy 2. So this is the Lysol. I would grab the one for $3. So put that in. $2.75, and that $2 is attaching. All right. Now, if you want to see how it'll look, add that in. Don't forget to clip it. Then go to your list. You're gonna add 2 in, and at least you're at $3.50 when you take that off. So we're gonna grab 2 of the Lysol cleansers. Whenever I can pick up cleanser, I grab them. I also have the Lysol Oxy, but I think it's at $4. Okay. So shop according to your budget, guys. So I want you guys to look at something. See the soft scrub right here? It's $4. Spend $15, get 3 off. Okay, $4. We have 2 coupons that we can stack. Save. You could spend $15, get $3 off. Then you're gonna get $1 back on the soft scrub. Limit of 1. A manufacturer and a Dollar General coupon will stack together. So remember that one, okay? We have a lot of, look at all these orange tags, but this one right here is the Essential Mist Spray. It's $6.50. Buy one, get one free. And when I do look at it, scan is $6.50. We have a coupon for buy one, get one free. Tap that Sizzles. And on the Febreze bathroom double plug, it's at $6. Here it is, $6. We have a 2 for $10 coupon, okay? 2 for $10. Okay, guys, so our Persil is back on the market this week, and it is at $5.50. You can save $1.50. When I scan it, it's $5.50, and we see we have 3 coupons. One for $1.50 off manufacturer. Spend $15, get $3 off DG, and then we have an earn $2. So this is what you can do if you want Persil and you want to buy the. I would get one for the $1.50 off, and then I would get. Tap that for the $2 off. Whenever I'm in this store, it doesn't pick it up. So let's do this one and see what this say. So this is a liquid one, $5.50, and that coupon match for both of them. Well, only they're going to give you $1.50 back on that one. Okay, so the best bet will be to pick up 2 of these. And with Tide for the $15.95, here it is, $15.95. You have 2 coupons. You have this $3 off DG, and then you have the spend 30 save 5, which you cannot stack together. Let's come right here to what we call our cheapie of this week, and it's going to be on the Suavitel. We get this coupon every now and then. It is $1.95, and they gave us a $1 coupon. So tap that and pick up your Suavitel. These are usually things when I have like elderly people buy from me. Guys, we're talking about bundles at this point. Whenever I have an elderly person buy from me, or a senior, and I get these to them for free. I don't charge for that. They have been long time customers, just to let you guys know that. For this big giant extra 172 loaves, it's $10. Look guys, $10. We got a $1.50 coupon for that, making it $8.50. Like, that's an awesome deal, because this thing is gigantic, and I actually sell these too. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Do Now video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this coupon cap. I am back. Bye.